Sahih Al-Bukhari 3763, narrated Abu Musa Al-Ashari radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, my brother and I came from Yemen, and for some time we continued to consider Abdullah bin Mas'ud radiyallahu ta'ala anhu as one of the members of the family of the Prophet sallallaho, alaihi wasallam, because we used to see him and his mother going in the house of the Prophet sallallahu, alaihi wasallam very often. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3764, narrated Ibn Abu Mulaika radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, Muawiyah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu offered one rakat witr prayer after the Isha prayer, and at that time a freed slave of Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu was present. He, i.e. the slave, went to Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu and told him that Muawiyah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu offered one rakat witr prayer. Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said, leave him, for he was in the company of Allah's Messenger sallallaho, alaihi wasallam. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3765, narrated Ibn Abi Mulaika radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, somebody said to Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, can you speak to the chief of the believers, Muawiyah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, as he does not pray except one rakat witr? Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu replied, he is a fiqh, i.e. a learned man who can give religious verdicts. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.